Right. Okay, all right. So welcome back to another video on POS App TV channel. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe because I'm giving back to back tips on your online bank, POS, and more online bank app. So today I want to show you how to earn money from referring people to MoniePoint. What does that mean? How to earn money referring people to have a MoniePoint account and you make use of their MoniePoint. But I will give you a little intro of how this referral system or MoniePoint or reward system of MoniePoint works. So if you are in Nigeria, living in Nigeria, you must have known about MoniePoint. MoniePoint is a microfinance bank and a digital bank in the space currently. So not to bore you with too much information, the MoniePoint reward users for referring other users. Now, what make this referral commission sweet? It's not as big amount that, okay, if I refer this person, are they paying me how much? I mean, how much are they paying for referral? It's not that way. It's a kind of lifetime recurring commission cycle. No, but not to mistake it, I'm seeing something like expire in 5 months, invite people to encourage. Okay, it seems like the cycle, if you for the first 6 months or 5 months using the MoniePoint app, you're going to be earning commission for life. Commission for life. Yeah, let me do commission for that period of time. I don't know, I see that within that. So the same between commission for life or within a certain number of months. But what I want to tell you that it's worth it. I will show you why I said it. It's worth the effort. So you don't have to start moving around looking for people to open MoniePoint accounts for. But if you can try at that. But how does this MoniePoint referral work? So how does it work? When you log into your MoniePoint app, just navigate to the reward section. If you have not I don't know how your own will look like, but I can see referrals and cashback. So on that place of referring, just open it. Yes, from that part you'll be able to see current active campaigns that MoniePoint are promoting that you too can key in as just a user, not as a staff. Now just a user, you can key in and push or promote and make some cool cash from. Yes, well, I love this. Your regular bank will not do this for you. Yeah, making you earn from the place you are also spending your money on. So all right, what you should do is that you go for, if you want to try it, if you have friends in UK, you can try this in UK option. But I don't have friends in UK, and actually I'm not much interested in this money world. Yes, but the one I've been doing for long and I'm still doing up to today is invite other people to earn cool cash. So you get 8 naira every time a referral make use of interbank transfer with MoniePoint. Yes, interbank. So they say you earn 8 naira every time, anytime that the people you refer to make use of the account that they use a referral code to sign up for. I'm going to show you how to create or how the referral code work, or how you can input the referral code, make it reflect and count for you. Okay, we are now on this page. So on the campaign details, just click on the campaign detail and open it and expand and say expire in 5 months time. So probably with a period of time. So guys, in the invite others to encourage, see how it works. This is your referral code. This is mine now. BATLO50. So I've even got my referral code in my head. So what I do is just when I'm opening an account for someone, helping someone to open an account, or telling them that this is okay, you make use of this referral code, or when I'm trying to assist them in helping open accounts, I just input my referral code and it shows that it's valid or not valid. So once it's valid, proceed, enter the customer phone number, fill every other information, and you have successfully opened an account for the customer. So when the customer start transacting with the app or ATM card, you start to earn 8 naira on every of the transaction. So far, this is my recent referral. So actually, I've been doing this referral on MoniePoint, and I've made around 72,000 naira or more from this referral system of MoniePoint. This is just my recent track record of 137 people referred. You can see it here, and any so far is 21,000 something. But I bet you that this is not my total earnings. This is of recent, because I know how much I have made. I've seen it. Yes, so you can just share the link to via social media, or copy the link and start pasting, or just save it. The best way is just to memorize the name and make use of it whenever you're opening an account for. So let's see how it works. You earn 8 naira every time if user refer to interbank works. Your referral sign up with the verify account and start using your referral code. Yeah, if I sign up and verify the account, you start using the referral code. Withdraws the money you earn anytime must be more than 15, and that is just it. You can go to their terms and conditions and understand more. Dismiss. So I've already know how it works. So the thing that you should also know is that you can cash out this money. This is not an audio money. This is not an invisible money. This is someone you refer. When you refer the customer, you're not making money. You go to that, but you see them. But once the customer starts making use of the app, transacting on the app, you start seeing commissions. You can see I've been withdrawing several amounts from it. I've been withdrawing several amounts from my cash out. I can even still cash out this one, but I would love to make it to reach some amount of threshold of money before I can cash it out. Even though I can cash out now. So that is it for referral. So let me let you know that you can make money referring people to MoniePoint, not just maybe per how much they are paying, but as they transact with it. Hope that this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to PS App TV. Subscribe, like this comment, like this video, and share. Peace out.